Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video, thank you and welcome to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing Scrunchie headband. Yes. So before we start, I'm going to be showing you guys what we'll be needing. So these are what we'll be needing: materials, tape, scissors, elastic band, pin, and then needle. So here is the material we are going to be using. We are going to be using three sets of fabric. So the first one is 13 inch by 2.5 inch. So after getting the measurements, we'll go ahead and fold it, the right side facing each other, and then use our pin to secure it. After securing it with our pin, we'll go ahead and then just sew it. That's where we'll be sewing, but before then we are going to make sure we do all the three together and then take it to the machine and sew them at a time. So this fabric here, we have 14 by 2.5 inch. So this is the biggest fabric we are going to be using. This one is 6.5 inch by 36 inch. That's about 1 yard of material. After getting the measurement, we'll go ahead and secure it with our pin. While we are doing that, we'll put the right side facing each other. After achieving that, we'll just go ahead and sew them. So we'll be sewing the three together. At this point, I'm done sewing it. So what I'm going to do is to take all the fabrics, turning them to the right side. So right now I'm using my pencil to turn them to the right side. So here is the one that has 13 inch by 25 by 2.5 inch. I will go ahead and take my elastic band and pass it through the holes. So to secure the ends of the elastic band with the material, I'm going to use my pin to secure that side so it doesn't go out in place. So here is what it's going to look like after putting the elastic band. So I will just take it to the machine and sew that side where the pins are. So this is me. I finished sewing it off camera and I'm showing you guys what it looks like. So here is what it's going to look like, or here is what it looks like after sewing. So right now this is the 15 by 2.5 inch. So I'll go ahead and trim those excess thread coming out from the side and then turn it to the right side. I'm still going to use my pencil to do that. So I hope you watch what I'm doing so you can learn from it. So here is me passing the trying to turn the material to the front side. So after getting it, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take the bigger material, which is the 6.5 inch by 36 inches. So here is the material I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be turning facing the right side. So after getting it, I'll make sure they are all smooth and easy. So the material that has 14 inch by 2.5, I'm going to pass it through the holes of this one, that the bigger fabric that has 6.5 by 36 inch. So that's what I'm going to do. To pass it, I'll be using my pin. After passing it through, just for it to be in place, I'll make sure I secure the end, so no matter what I'm doing, it does not go out of place. So here is me trying to figure out where the holes are so I can pass it through. So at this point it already came out, so I'm going to arrange it nicely and use my needle and thread to secure it. So after securing it, here is what it's going to look like. My elastic band, I'm going to put it on the side, that's on the edge. I'm going to put it and close the part where there is sewing. So here is me with my elastic band. I'll just go ahead and arrange them like the way you see me doing. After arranging, I will go ahead and sew it. So I'm going to do the same on this side and then the same on the other side. So after taking to the machine, those excess sewing, I'll cut it out with my scissors. So here is what the band is looking like. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your loved ones. Let them know and watch from it. I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.